All right, guys, 2024 Fusion Turbo. They've been watching us for a few years and said, we're coming to Exhaust Addict. They figured out that we're in Nashville. Like, they're right down the street from us. So like, we got to get hooked up by them. I said, come on down, we'll get you hooked up. So let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got a converter right there. Then we put a vibrant resonator in place of the regular stock resonator right there. Part number 1792. There'll be a link in the description for it. And you can find it also at exhaustaddicts.com. Then 2.5-inch continues. And then we did a rear muffler delete. As you guys can see, usually the muffler is like huge. It goes from all the way here to all the way here. You can tell from the heat shield and the hangers. There's one hanger there, the other hanger there. So we reused that one. Added another solid mount there. Just to give it more reinforcement, we always try to add another one in there because you want it solid like that. You don't want it all moving around and stuff. And then we finished it off nicely with a nice Natami tip, 4.5-inch matte black tip. There'll be a link in the description for it also. And then there's the stock muffler that was on it, that huge muffler that we cut off that I was telling you guys about. And there's the resonator. Are you guys excited to hear it? Let's do this. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Ford Fusion SE, 1.6 liter, I think, turbo. Don't quote me on it, but it is a turbo, see? Ecoboost. All right, go ahead. Look at his face. Look at his face. Go ahead. Perfect? Yeah, perfect. Because you didn't want too loud, you didn't want too quiet. Just a nice, deep tone, you know? And vibrant always delivers on that. Again. That sounds nice. You can hear the blow-up valve. He has an upgraded one. Here's sound decibels again. Bro, that sounds clean. Again? Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. Guess what, guys? They're done with the construction. They were just waiting for their general occupancy, and they are done. No more construction noise. Look at that. The sidewalk to nowhere, I call it. You see that? They put a sidewalk in. It's to nowhere. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. Come and see us if you guys have any exhaust needs. Vibrant. You did good on this one. Sounds so clean. Oh yeah, Ford Fusion SE. Ecoboost. Those wheels are hard. They just got it lowered too. It looks good. They put a little bit of money here and there in it. Every other paycheck. One more. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Round 2, 2020 Ford Fusion. So they wanted it a little bit louder. So we're like, we got you. So we installed a high flow cat in place of the regular cat. Because if you guys look inside of it, it's really restrictive, as you guys can see, compared to the high flow, which has a lot bigger pores inside, lets it flow better. In turn makes more sound and better performance. Always the best for turbos. Anyways, there's the vibrant. Here's the part number again on the vibrant. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues and the muffler delete is still there. The hanger's still there and the tip is still there. So we didn't change anything else. We just added a high flow cat to it to give it a little bit more tone, a little bit more sound. He wanted about 20% louder. So let us know, guys, in the comments if you see a difference in tone and which one you like more. The one with the high flow cat or the regular stock cat. All right. And there's the setup that was on it before that we cut off the stock muffler and resonator. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe. So high flow cat now. Round 2. See how it changes the sound right away? Let it idle. All right, give it gas. Yeah, it's got more pop to it. to it now.
Yeah.
Oh, much better. Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again? It hit 98 earlier. 97. One more. You're gonna notice a difference in power too with it. The tone change. You see how that initial room, it's louder. Does it need to be louder, bro?
Nah, I think that's perfect.
Are you happy now?
That's perfect. That's his car. That's his car.
I know, but are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. Most definitely.
They're happy. Okay. As long as they're happy, I'm happy. Go ahead and back it up. It fits the wheels perfectly.
Man, that's what I'm saying.
I like it. It's got a nice little rasp to it. All right, guys, stay tuned for the drive off. Ford Fusion Turbo with a high flow cat, vibrant resonator, and muffler delete. Finished off nicely with a 4.5-inch tip. Yeah, that's clean. That vibrant helps so much. Wow, it's not raspy at all. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know in the comments.